Counsel for the claimant is online, my lord.
How about defendant counsel?
My lord, defendant counsel is online too.
Okay, what about the parties?
My lord, the claimant is in court.
Yes, Gidado. Yes, Gidado, you said the party, it is the claimant. Okay, is that the claimant?
No,
Yes,
the claimant is online. He's not in court.
I can't see any claimant here. Yes, anyway, the parties are absent. I can't see any claimant.
Well, the claimant is present.
Where is he? Where is Mohammed? Is it, sorry, I said Mohammed. Is it
Bashar Balawala.
Bashar Balawala?
My
Bashar
lord is here, my lord.
Balawala. Where
Yes,
are
I'm
you?
here. I'm here, ma. I am here, ma.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
All right. Yes, counsel, please announce your appearance.
With the proper respect to the court, my name is Lagalo Dan Lagalo.
Yes.
My lord, my colleagues who appear with me are I appear with ND Paul.
With MD Paul and is it Usman Abba or any other counsel?
Yes, my lord. Usman Abba
Usman Abba Tuko. Okay.
Yes, my lord. For the claimant.
How about defendant counsel?
With profound humility, my lord.
Yes, counsel.
My name is Yusuf Muhammad.
Okay.
My appearance is for the defendants.
Yes,
My
I
lord,
think the matter. Yes.
Defendants are not in court. We sincerely apologize for their absence, my lord.
Yes, the matter is for ruling.
As court,
Yes, and the ruling is ready. The court will proceed to deliver same.
as court,
And the court.
Thank you. Thank you, next. Okay, gotta go. Mantanga. That's a common gun.
Please, excuse me, please, the court is sitting. Notwithstanding that it's a virtual mode of proceeding, but all the same, please respect the court. Those that have their matters not taken yet, can you kindly mute your system? Can you so avoid distracting the court, please?
Listen.
So here is the ruling of the court.
And court, please.
By way of an originating summons filed on 25th day of February 2022, the claimant submitted 3 questions for determination of this court, upon which he sought for the setting aside. I believe this is a case of I hope it's the right one. Okay, Bashar Wala. Okay, O2. That's SK NICN/SK/O2/2022. Bashar Bala Wala and Kaduna Electricity Distribution Company PLC, and I think 7 others. Okay. So by way of an originating summons filed 25th February 2022, the claimant submitted 3 questions for the determination of this court, upon which he sought for the setting aside of his dismissal by the defendants, among other reliefs. During the proceedings of 27 June 2022, the court raised the issue of the propriety of commencing this suit via an originating summons and directed parties to address it. Address of Claimant's Counsel. Claimant's Counsel's address on the propriety of commencing the instant action by originating summons is dated and filed 4th July 2022, wherein it distilled a single issue for determination thus: whether, having regards to the questions for determination and relief sought, originating summons procedure is appropriate in the commencement of the suit. He started by submitting that the court has the jurisdiction to raise an issue suo motu and invite parties to address it on the said issue in the interest of fairness and justice. He cited in support the case of Anya versus Anya and others. He proceeded to state that by the provisions of Order 3, Rules 1B and 3 of the rules of this court, originating summons has been provided for as one of the modes of commencing actions, which are non-contentious and deal with questions premised on the interpretation of any written law, constitution, enactment, or agreement. He relied on the case of Jeff and another versus Iotium and others in support of his position. It was further submitted on behalf of the claimant that the instant suit seeks for the interpretation of Section 36, sub 1 and 6 of the Constitution, Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended in relation to the facts of the case, which he posited are largely based on documentary evidence attached to the affidavit in support of the originating summons and cannot be altered by oral evidence. He thus urged the court to hold the originating summons procedure employed herein is appropriate in the circumstance. Counsel submitted, on the other hand, that should the courts not agree with his submissions above, but that a complaint ought to have been used in line with Order 3, Rules 1A and 2 of the rules of this court, that the suit itself will not be rendered incompetent. Rather, the court can make an order directing parties to file pleadings. He cited case of Alpha and Natai and others, amongst a host of other judicial authorities on the point. In conclusion, counsel maintained his earlier position that the claimant's case is for interpretation of the Constitution, which is supported by documents. Hence, originating summons procedure is appropriate in the circumstances, urging the court to so hold. Defendant's counsel's address. For defendant's counsel, on behalf of defendants, their counsel did not file any written address as directed by the court, but orally aligned himself with the position of claimant's counsel in their position of claimant's counsel. Decision. The claimant's case is in the main challenging his dismissal from the employment of the defendants, for which he alluded want of fair hearing as his grounds, which he enumerated in his affidavit, to include trial in absentia and bias by members of the disciplinary committee. I'm in total agreement with both counsel to the parties that the provisions of Order 3, Rule 3 of the rules of this court provides for the factors that need be considered in actions to be commenced by way of originating summons. The said provision stipulates that actions or matters to be commenced by way of originating summons should relate principally to the interpretation of any constitution, enactment, agreement, or any other instrument relating to employment and industrial relations upon which this court has jurisdiction over, as provided in Section 254C of the 1999 Constitution as amended. Upon a thorough and careful perusal of the originating processes, vis-a-vis the defendant's counter affidavit and written address, it is my observation that in relation to the ground of challenge of claimant's dismissal is the allusion to facts contained in paragraphs 15 to 22 of the affidavit in support, which states that the claimant could not travel from Kebbi to Kaduna for the disciplinary hearing scheduled for 11 January 2022 and 13 January 2022 for fear of insecurity on the road, cost of lodging, and bias, among others. In contradicting this point, defendants in their counter affidavit at paragraphs 14 to 31 had claimed that there was no need for the claimant to travel from Kebbi to Kaduna, as he was staying in Kaduna at the time in question in an apartment he rented with money gotten from what was given to staff working at the headquarters of first defendant. The foregoing assertions, the claimant denied and put defendants to the proof of same. In the case of Tanko and Modi, 2019, 8th Nigerian Weekly Law Report, part 1675, 387 at 412, paragraphs D to F, where the Court of Appeal had held that where the facts on the live issues to be resolved are material, substantial, and not just peripheral or imaginary, then the use of originating summons becomes inappropriate. The above analysis, to my mind, has set up weighty conflicting facts which touch on the live issues to be resolved when considered in the light of the questions submitted for the determination of this court. Thus, I find it unreasonable for this action to have been commenced via the originating summons procedure, and I so hold. Having made the holding above that this action was wrongly commenced by way of originating summons, however, just as submitted by the counsel in their address, this does not render the action incompetent. Rather, the originating summons in this case is hereby converted to a complaint, and parties are hereby directed to file pleadings in line with the rules of this court. It is so ordered, and ruling is hereby entered. So give me the diary. Let me give them a date for further mention. Further mention, what date?
You should give them their own date.
Yes, give me a clear date for Sokoto. Only Sokoto matters.
Yes, 9th, my lord. 9th of February.
Yes, counsel, 9th day of February for further mention. Yes, are you still with me? Yusuf Mohammed. Lagalo, are you with me? Lagalo. They are not connected again.
My lord, we are good.
Hello, my lord.
9th day of February, please.
It's convenient, my lord.
Yes, that's for further mention.
It's convenient, my lord.
So the order of the court is that parties should proceed and file and exchange their pleadings in line with the rules of the court.
The court pleases.
All right.
Thank you, my lord. We are most grateful.
Yes, Gidado, call the next case, please.
So his case is
Hello, my lord. I can't hear. Call the case, please. The next one.
My lord, there is senior counsel, there is son here before us.
What number is he on the list?
6. That is Atoyi Akojona by says NPF Microfinance.
Okay, he's in court there or he's online?
Yes.
All right. Number 6, yes, number 6, Barnabas. He said there's a senior advocate in the court.
NICS/SK/16/2019 Atoyi Akojona by says NPF Microfinance for continuation of trial.
It's not for continuation, it's for defense, yes. It's number 7, not number 6. Is that number 6 on your list?
Number 7, my lord.
It's number 7, not 6, yes. So give me the 5, please. Yes. Give me SK16. But this for what? It's for continuation of trial. Yes, it's Lane Silk. Lane Silk.
Yes, my lord. He's online, my lord.
Yes, what's the name?
Ochidi.
Sorry?
J.E. Ochidi.
Okay, I can't even see the name here.
Yes, Ochidi is OCHIDI.
Your matter is for continuation of trial.
It's for the first place, madam.
Yes, please, would you just allow me to quickly deliver this 5-page ruling, please?
As the court is.
Yes, I have another ruling, so let's quickly deliver that before we take your matter. Give me SKO4. Yes, Gidado, call SKO4, please, so that we have that ruling delivered.
2021, or which one? We have SKO 2020.
SKO4, Mohammed Sani Nuhu, 2020, for ruling.
Okay.
And Waziri Umaru, Federal Polytechnic, Benin Kebbi, and 3 others.
Yes, my lord.
That's SKO4 2020. Do we have counsel online or in court or parties?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Counsel
Yes,
online.
my lord.
So the parties are absent. Do any of the parties, any parties in court or any party in court?
No, my lord.
All right. Counsel, please announce your appearance. Claimant counsel.
May it please your lordship, Muhammad
Yes.
Usman is my name.
Yes, Mohammed Usman.
Yes, my lord. I appear with my colleague Nadia Umar Farouk. I will appear with the claimant, my lord.
How about defendant's counsel, please?
May it please the hearing of this court.
Yes.
My lord, I am AA in Unam. My humble appearance is for the defendants.
Equally, this matter is for ruling. I'll proceed to deliver same. Yes. This action was commenced at the instance of the claimant via the complaint filed on 26th day of October 2020, seeking for various reliefs against the defendant. On the 1st day of December 2021, when the matter came up for mention, the claimant challenged the appearance of defendant's counsel on the basis that he had previously engaged him on instant suit. Hence, he has privileged information. Consequent upon the above, the court directed parties to address it on the propriety of the appearance of SM Ayaro for the defendants. Claimant's counsel legal submission. The claimant's counsel in his address dated 10th day of January 2022 the claimant's address is dated 10th day of January 2022, but filed 18 January 2022 with the sole issue submitted for determination whether the learned counsel Sembayaro Esquire can enter appearance in defense of the defendant in suit number NICN/SK/4/2020 after having been earlier briefed by the claimant and as such seized with all privileged information. Where is come? Relating to the facts and circumstances of the claimant's case. Check. Are they still connected?
Yes, my lord, they are here.
Okay, thank you. In contravention of Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct of Legal Practitioners 2017, it is claimant's counsel submission that it is settled that the relationship which exists between a counsel and client or solicitor receiving instructions from a litigant is one of contract arising from services to be rendered, which in his opinion gives rise to an agency relationship requiring strict confidence. He cited Edozen and others versus Edozen. Going further, counsel posited that where a lawyer is engaged by a client pursuant to the Rules of Professional Conduct 2017 and the Legal Practitioners Act, such a counsel is duty-bound to act and discharge its duties within the confines of such rules. He stated that their grounds arises from the fact that the claimant had engaged the services of SM Nayaro Esquire with respect to the instant suit against the defendants, who in turn had started preparing necessary processes for filing in court, and the said claimant had even paid him more than 70% of the agreed professional fee. Counsel argued that having been given full disclosure or relevant information pertaining to the claimant's case in the course of a formal relationship, the said information amounts to privileged information. Also, that there is a scintilla of authority which have made counsel lifelong custodians of privileged information, which, except in legally recognized circumstances, are not to disclose same for the use of an adverse party or even a third party. It is in the light of the foregoing. Are you still with me, counsel?
Yes, my lord, we are together, my lord.
It is in the light of the foregoing that claimant relies on Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct for Legal Practitioners 2017 to challenge the appearance of SM Dayaro for the defendants as inappropriate. He urged the court to hold that the defendant's counsel has flouted the above ethical provision as he conceivably put to use the privileged information of the claimant to his detriment for the defense of his adversaries. In further support of his contention, counsel stated that the courts have in a number of cases strongly berated such conduct by defendant counsel. He relied on authorities of Egbuna and Naga, and equally Anatogu and others versus Iweka and others. The citations are all provided, among other cases, as well as the provision of Section 192 Evidence Act 2011, which counsel here posited is in pari material with Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct. On the whole, he urged the court to hold the appearance of defense counsel in the present circumstance as inappropriate, being a relationship founded on utmost good faith and must be kept so for all time. Now, submission of defendant's counsel. Defendant's counsel address is dated 4th day of July 2022, 5th day of July 2022, and the sole issue has been submitted for examination thus. Whether the claimant has provided sufficient material before this court for it to invoke the provision of Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct of Legal Practitioners 2017. The defendant counsel posited that the claimant counsel has not placed sufficient material before this court to enable the court deny him audience in this case by reason of the provision of Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct of Legal Practitioners, that what amounts to a breach therein has been laid to rest in the case of Anatogu and Iweke II. Counsel submitted further that the court will not prevent a litigant from employing a counsel of his choice. However, a person will not be allowed to employ the services of a counsel, nor should the counsel accept a brief and render services which is closely connected to services he has rendered previously to an opposing side. He relied on case of Onyeka and Nightclaim. Flowing from the above, it is counsel's submission that there is nothing placed before the court to evidence the basis of the claimant's objection. In addition, he posited that no matter how brilliant the address of a counsel, it cannot take the place of evidence or legal proof, relying on authority of UCHA and Elechi. It was also argued that since there is nothing before the court to justify claimant's objection, this court cannot make speculation for the parties in the circumstances. While relying on the case of Amadi and NNPC, counsel held the view that the instant objection is frivolous and the courts are frowned as such for delaying the course of justice. In conclusion, he urged the court to discountenance the objection and dismiss him. Now, decision of the court. I've taken time to carefully peruse through the written addresses filed by parties in response to the objection on the appearance of Mr. SM Nayaro as legal counsel for the defendants in this suit. Flowing from the addresses, this court adopts the sole issue formulated by defendant counsel as its issue for determination. The foundation for legal appearance by counsel of one's choice have been succinctly argued upon by the parties as emanating from Section 36 of 6, Constitution Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, and Rule 18 of the Rules of Professional Conduct for legal practitioners. Notwithstanding the foregoing, a party's choice for legal representation and the right of the legal practitioner to accept briefs are not without certain limitations and guidance which have been provided for in section 192 to 193 of the Evidence Act, which is in pari material with Rule 19 of the Rules of Professional Conduct, bordering on keeping professional communication confidential, while Rule 17 places a number of guiding parameters on a lawyer's professional relationship in dealing with clients or potential clients. The claimant, through his counsel, had argued that the said SM Nayaro, who has been appearing for the defendants, had been initially briefed by the claimant to the extent that he had started preparing documents and processes for filing in court as regards the instant case for which claimant had made a payment of more than 70% of the agreed professional fee. Thus, the challenge to his appearance, for the obvious reasons that confidential full disclosure had been made to him by the claimant, which could be jeopardized if allowed to continue representing the defendants. The defendants have strongly contended that the claimant has not placed sufficient material by way of evidence before the court to persuade it to make an order granting his prayer. I've observed that the claimant had made allusions to not only briefing the defendant's counsel in question, but also making financial payments in that regard. Indeed, as submitted by defendant's counsel, this court is a court of law which acts on hard and credible evidence to make decisions one way or another. No documents by way of either an agreement, text messages, emails, receipts of payments, or bank transfer has been placed before this court to support claimant's assertions of such a prior relationship, hence leaving the court with nothing. The law does not act in vacuum, but on concrete facts and evidence. The conclusion of the matter is this: I find that the claimant, based on what has been said above, in view of the facts before this court, has not placed any sufficient material to enable the court to make an order in his favor. The sole issue adopted is hereby resolved in favor of defendant's counsel, SM Nayaro, and I so hold. Consequently, the matter shall proceed to trial. It is so ordered, and ruling is hereby entered.
My Lord, we are very grateful for your erudite ruling.
All right, thank you, counsel. Amen.
We are grateful, my Lord. Thank you,
So
my Lord.
you wait for the date. We'll give you a date, the same date for Sokoto. What date?
9th of February.
9th of February. I believe that should be for definite hearing. Can you confirm that? Okay. 9th February, counsel, is that date agreeable to both counsel?
Yes, my Lord.
The matter is further adjourned now to 9th day of February 2023 for definite hearing.
As the court pleases.
Yes, give me the diary. The first, the one for ruling. What date did you give?
9th.
For what?
For further mention.
Okay. Yes, so the one for the learners field now, number 7. Yes, Gidado, are you online? Okay, so call that number 7 on the course list again, Atumei. Do we have any of the parties online?
No.
So the parties are absent. Any party in court? Gidado, do we have any of the parties in court?
No, there is fourth claimant.
Fourth claimant?
Yes, my Lord. Fourth claimant is in court.
The fourth claimant from the records, we have Yusuf Raubilu Mohammed.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
All right. Where is he? I need to see the claimants. Yes. The fourth claimant.
The fourth and fourth, my lord. Look at them here.
Okay, the third and fourth.
Yes, my lord. Look at them.
Is it Zuwaira Haruna?
Yes, number 3.
Okay, I can see them. Thank you. How about defendants? Microfinance absent. Defendants absent. Yes, appearance, please. Counsel, please announce your appearance.
Yes, please, my lord. My lord, I'm J.E. Ochidi.
J.E. Ochidi. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
yes. My learned friend, N.N. Anaka. N.N. Anaka. Anaka is A-N-A-K-A.
Yes, where is he?
Lord,
okay, please. I can see him. Thank you. Yes.
We are appearing for all the claimants.
All right. Defendant counsel, please. Any legal representation? Gidado, is counsel in court?
He's in court, my lord.
Where is he?
Have you joined? Hello, my lord.
Yes, okay. Announce your appearance, please.
M.M. Ali.
Okay.
For the defendant, my lord.
Yes, Lanesil.
Yeah, my lord, this matter is for defense.
Yes.
Apart, we are ready to proceed.
Aliu.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Our witness, my lord. And we are
How
ready.
many witnesses?
One, and he's in court, my lord.
Is that the last witness? Are you taking any?
No, my lord. He's the last one we have. He's the only one.
Okay, it's the sole witness. Sorry, he's the claimant that yes, okay. Okay, yes, let's have the witness in the box there, over there. I want to see him from here.
Yes.
Gidado, are you there? Yes, Gidado, please do the needful, put the witness in the box. Yes, counsel. Is the witness in the witness box? Gidado.
He's in the witness box, my lord.
Where is he? I want to see you there. Okay, thank you. All right. Yes, counsel, Lanesil.
Yes, my lord, we are ready to go.
Is it Aliu?
Yes, my lord.
Please,
yes,
you
my
may
lord,
wish to proceed. You may wish to proceed, please.
Yes, my lord, we applied witness.
You apply for what?
Witness be affirmed, my lord.
Okay, yes, Gidado. Have you confirmed that? Is affirming? You find out from him. It's not counsel to tell me that. Let's ask him if he wants to affirm or he wants to swear on the Holy Quran. Yes, is he affirming? Or affirmed already?
No.
Yes, Barnabas, come and get me the witness statement or note for the defendant. Okay, 16. Check the page 171 to 170. Yes, sir, Gidado. Yes, you see affirmed or sworn on the Holy Quran. It's affirmed.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, it states in English. I'm sure he can speak English because there's nothing to say that he's going to need an interpreter. Okay. Yes, defendant counsel. Yes. Okay, it's affirmed. Yes, counsel, please proceed.
Okay, thank you, my lord. Can you tell this honorable court your opinion?
Your name is who? Emmanuel Ame Ezra. Yes, sir, counsel.
Okay, tell the honorable court where you work. What do you do for a living? Tell the honorable court.
Yes, witness, I can't hear you.
Huh?
Where do you work?
Huh?
You said you work with MPF what? Microfinance Bank PLC? Gidado, please try and work on your network there, or maybe you have to change that. I can't hear him properly.
Yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
I can hear you, but I can't hear the witness.
Yes. Yes. Speak loud. I work with
Okay, yes, counsel.
Okay. Where do you work currently and formally?
Counsel, what is the question?
What is current position and his previous position at 2020 when he first started? His position at the bank.
You are asking him for his current position or what?
Yes. At 2020.
Just hold on, counsel. Gidado.
Yes, my Lord.
You need to work on the whatever device you are using, or I don't know if it's a MTN or whatever, because it's cracking and I'm recording. I can't write down anything if I don't hear them, if I don't hear the witness clearly. I can't put down anything. All I have here is his name as Emmanuel Ame Ezra, and that he works with MPF Microfinance Bank PLC. That's all I have on record. Yes, I'm waiting for you. So is counsel in the courtroom with the witness, or counsel is it's elsewhere connecting from there? Is defendant counsel in the courtroom?
Yes, my Lord.
So why can't I hear you? And the witness is there. I can hear the court officer, the registrar of the court, but I can't hear the witness.
The witness is in the box, my Lord. Look at him in the box.
I can see him, but I can't hear him clearly.
Come back. She wants it. Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
Please use the witness box.
Yes, defendant counsel, please go ahead.
Okay.
The end of it. I can't hear anything. I can't record anything.
Speak loud. Speak loud. Loud.
I can hear Gidado now.
Current position of the regional laws.
Is it possible when he's in the witness box? Okay. Aliu.
My Lord.
Can you move closer to where the witness is by the witness box if you are not using the device of the office?
But the problem is not on my
If you can move very close to the witness there, because yes, because you are far from there probably. So let that thing, the gadget, be very close to him there. For this purpose, maybe you have to be there. Yeah, so you can proceed and let's see if I can hear you from here. Ordinarily, we are supposed to have a network from the office and connected. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, my Lord. It's Emmanuel Ezra. Can you remember me? January 2020. That was 2020.
Yes, you have referred. Can I have that date? What you are referring to is a witness statement or note of what date?
My Lord, the one on the 24th January.
20 what?
2020.
What date?
24th January.
Yes, go ahead.
2020, my Lord.
Yes.
And the other one was on 19th March 2020. Second one, my lord.
19th March when?
2020, my lord. 2020, my lord.
Yes, witness, can you confirm that? Have you shown him the statement?
Yes.
March. Yes, show him the statement, please.
My lord, I have shown you this statement.
Yes.
Yes. Are those your statements? Have you shown him?
Yes.
Yes, Ezra. Is it Emmanuel Ezra? Emmanuel Ezra.
Yes, my lord.
Can you confirm if those are your statements that were shown to you? All right. Yes, Aliu.
I want the Honorable Court to use the statement of the case. Yes.
Statement of DW1, respectively dated 24th day of January 2020. 19th day of March 2020 are adopted as his oral evidence in chief at this trial.
Please.
Yes, Aliu.
Emmanuel, you have paragraph.
Yes.
In front of 23.
Counsel, if you are referring to any paragraph, you must let the court know the particular statement you are making use of.
Yes,
all right.
Statement filed on 24th January.
Okay. So what paragraph are you referring to? Paragraph what?
23, my lord.
Okay. Paragraph 33 or 23?
23, my lord.
Okay, 23. Yes, go ahead.
Yes. You made reference to Umar.
Yes.
Which governs the relationship bank and hub. That and what? Are you verified?
Yes, Secretary.
Yes.
How can you identify?
The resource policy the bank logo, and the two certified copy. Signatures.
Yes, Emmanuel, I can't hear you.
My Lord, I said, can I identify your bank logo? Yet was established in 2010.
This, yes, yes, Council.
Yes, my lord, we apply the document being shown to him.
Show him the document. Let me see the man. Yes, show him the document, the human resource manual, they refer to in the paragraph 23. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, my lord, having the witness identify the document applied to them in evidence.
Yes, Lanesil.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Yes, Council.
We have observed that the document is not signed by anyone, but for now, I will have no objection to the admissibility of the document. In the course of written address, we'll
Yes, take your arguments in your addresses.
Yes, my lord.
My lord.
So at this stage of proceeding, the documents will be admitted in evidence, same having been pleaded and relied upon by the defendant's counsel, and is marked as Exhibit D1. Meanwhile, the issue of weight will be determined by the court at the stage of judgment, and counsel are directed to join issues in their respective final written addresses. All right, so Exhibit D1, yes. Yes, Aliu. So this is D1. Gidado. Yes, I have the front-loaded documents I'm marking here, so you do the marking over there as well before you transmit the documents to me here. So it's Exhibit D1. Gidado.
Yes, my lord. Exhibit 1.
Yes, that is, you said the documents. I want you to, can you pick up that document and show me over there? So that to be
yes,
sure.
My lord. Look at the document here, my lord.
All right, that's the human resource manual. Okay, all right. So that's Exhibit D1. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, I can find it. It's a memo from the head signed by the head of the audit.
What paragraph of his statement are you referring him to? Paragraph 19. The same one of 24th January.
Yes, 24th. Okay, of the statement.
What document is that, please? Paragraph 19, or what are you? What paragraph?
Paragraph 19.
Yes, what document is that you're referring to?
Internal audit of the deposition test 25th September 28.
Internal what?
Internal auditors.
That is not paragraph 19, it should be paragraph 20.
Paragraph 19.
Can you read it out?
Okay. Defendant, paragraph 19, my lord, is saying, the defendant further advised that auditors who carried out the internal investigation recommended that the complainants should be discharged.
Counsel, that is paragraph 21.
The defendant.
That is paragraph 21.
Paragraph 21, I think, is for the statement of claim. Of statement of defense. I'm referring him to his statement of what?
You are referring him to what?
His witness statement on the court, my lord.
Yes, witness statement or note dated when?
Dated 24th January.
Yes, what I have here, what you are reading from the process I have before me is paragraph 21. Mine is paragraph 21 here, the same witness statement of 24th January 2020, which says the defendant further advised that the internal auditors who carried out the internal investigation recommended that the complainants should be disengaged from the services of defendants. The internal auditors report dated 25th September 2018 is hereby pleaded and shall be relied upon at the trial of this suit. Is that not the same paragraph you read?
It is, my lord.
Yes, so it's 21 here.
Yeah, my lord.
My lord, 21. My lord is with respect, my lord is reading from the statement of defense. I'm referring the witness to his position. If my lord will move the next page, page 19 of the process. Sorry, page 15, my lord.
Okay, page 15.
Page 15, paragraph 19, that's the position of the witness.
All right. Okay, paragraph 19. Okay.
Yes, my lord, of his position.
Okay, thank you.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
And I can divide assignments the member from the head of internal audit to the board audit committee.
Yes.
My lord, we apply the document be shown to the witness.
Show him.
Justice.
Yes, Aliu. Sorry, witness. Yes, Emmanuel, Ezra.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, we have you been shown that document? Is that the document you are referring to in your paragraph 19?
Yes, it is, my lord.
Yes, Aliu. Show the counsel for the claimant.
Lord,
Yes,
I have seen the document.
Yes.
Again, this is a document that is not signed by anyone.
You may wish to adopt your earlier position regarding Exhibit D1 to save the time of the court. All right. Thank you. The internal auditor's report. Yes, Lane Silk, equally, you having adopted the earlier position regarding Exhibit D1, equally the court adopts its pronouncement made regarding Exhibit D1. And this document, that is Internal Auditor's Report of 25th day of September 2018, is submitted in evidence as Exhibit D2. So I'll still allow you to join issues in your final addresses. Gidado. Yes, let me see. Do you have the document with you? Is it with you, Gidado? Yes. So let me see the document. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord. See the document, my lord.
Okay, all right. So mark it as Exhibit D2.
Exhibit D2.
Okay. This one. Yes, Gidado, mark it. I have it here to the front-loaded copy, Exhibit D2. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, my lord. Manuel.
Yes.
Paragraph what?
Paragraph dated 24th January 2020.
Yes.
That the complainant is dismissed.
Aliu, I can't hear you. We had some underground noise here, so you have to repeat yourself again.
What I'm saying, witness number 21 of his 2020.
I see the time we are spending on just one case. So I have to stop them anytime from now so that we can handle other matters. Yeah, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Please, what paragraph is he referring to, please? Because I can hear you clearly. What paragraph?
21,
21, paragraph 21.
All right, thank you. Let him proceed. But yes, let him continue.
Yes. You mentioned dismissal and dismissal.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
Document for suspension and dismissal.
Yes, I can identify the documents by the officers that signed documents. We are addressed.
Yes.
How do we apply the document be shown?
Yeah, show him. Yes, Ochidi.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Ochidi.
Yes, my lord, I have no objection to the.
Okay. All right. Yes, Gidado, please give me the date of that document.
Describe the document and then the date.
The date and the title of the document, the subject.
No, please, give him. Let him go.
Give it to the court registrar, please.
Yes, my lord. There is indefinite suspension on 31st July 2018.
20 what?
18.
Yes, what's the subject? 31st July 2018.
Indefinite suspension.
Okay.
dated 31st July, addressed to Rabilu Yusuf Mohammed.
All right, just hold on. Address to who?
Rabilu Yusuf Mohammed.
All right.
Head of administration.
You say it's titled what? Letter of what? Dismissal?
Indefinite suspension.
Okay, suspension, not the dismissal.
Yes, madam.
Check from the form. I have a dismissal here. This one it says it's indefinite suspension. So 31st July 2018. This 28th July. Yes, even though you have it here, it seems this is not concluded. I may have to use the one you have with you over there. I can't find this one.
There is almost 3 or 4 of them.
4 of them?
Yes, my lord.
So maybe I have to make use of what you have. Here. I have letters of dismissal here, but I hope it's not with the.
There's letter of dismissal. We did not come to it.
Sorry?
There's letter of dismissal. We did not come to it.
Okay, it's together with the letter of dismissal?
Yes, my lord. But there are separate indefinite suspension for the claimants. There is one for Suwaira, there is one.
How many documents are with you, Gidado? How many documents?
8 documents, my lord.
So is he tendering the 8 documents?
Yes. 4.
Okay, I want you to take them. Listen, take them one after the other, and I will refer to my records here. Take them one after the other, all the documents you have with you. So can you start with the first one?
Yes, my lord. The first one is indefinite suspension to Rabilu Yusuf Mohammed, dated 31st July 2018.
What about the next one?
The next one is indefinite suspension to Zuwaira Haruna.
We don't have anything on indefinite suspension. Just hold on, please.
Well, I should start with the.
Go on like that.
It's a defendant's processes now, so it can be here. This letter of indefinite suspension now. Yes, address to who, please?
To Zuwaira. That is the second one.
This will be very difficult to. They didn't sort out their documents well. You see, this indefinite suspension 31st July, can you see? And this already in. I think the claimants already tendered this.
My lord, we have tendered them.
So why are we duplicating them?
I told my learned brother and my learned friend.
Why can't you just rely on documents already tendered by claimants?
As a court pleases.
And save the court the trouble.
No, my lord.
Yes, is it different from what the claimant has tendered?
They are not, my lord.
It's the same.
So please, can you now refer me to those ones the claimant has tendered and you now rely on them? They are the same documents. I will just have it on record that the defendant relies on these documents already tendered by claimants, if that's what you are relying on in support of your case. So I don't need to duplicate those documents in my file. Yes, Aliu. You tell me which of, because I cannot even cite these documents in your processes that are filed before me, but I can see that of the claimant. Yes, Aliu, I will soon stop you because I have to take other matters, please. We have spent so much time on this.
They're not concluded.
Yes, you have not concluded, but I cannot give you the whole day. We will adjourn the matter.
Sorry, my lord.
Are you sure it's concluded?
But that's the claimant, this thing, and nothing from the defendant. What I have accompanying your statement of defense, I have a series of queries, response to queries, and dismissal letter, but I don't have anything like suspension here.
Yes, my lord, that's very fine.
So, my lord, now the one that we have marked, are we going to withdraw them to give it back to them?
The one that you have marked, yes, you don't need to keep that again. You can give them.
Okay, my lord. Thank you.
Yes. This exhibit, I think we have admitted exhibit D1. Exhibit D1, I have it here. I have just hold on. Yes, that exhibit D1, is that the manual?
Yes.
That's the manual which you have marked already. This is the manual, yeah? So D2 is investigation report, it's exhibit D2. Yes, Gidado, we have exhibit D1, which is the manual.
Yes.
So I have that with me here. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
So look at that manual. Give me. Sorry, exhibit D2. What is the last page? What is the last page on your exhibit D2 there?
The last
Yes, let me compare with what I have here. What's the last page on the exhibit D2? The one that council is saying that was not signed. What's the last page there?
The last page.
What is the page number?
There is no number, my lord.
There's number. You can't say there's no number. Exhibit D2 is dated 25th. That's the internal auditor's report of 25th September 2018.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Final investigation report on the fraud perpetrated.
Yes, perpetrated in Sokoto branch.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, that's page 1. Are you saying there's no page?
That is the first page, my lord.
Yes, so this we'll turn to the next one. Is there no page?
The last page, page 22, my lord. Page 22.
How can you say there's no page? Yes. What's the last page, counsel?
Page 22.
Thank you. So, Kidado, can you look at the document you have? Is it page?
Yes, my lord. Look at it here. Here, I think he photocopied the.
But even the one I have here is photocopy and I can read it. It's page 22. Okay, just return that one back to them. It ends page 22, 1 to 22. That's exhibit D2.
Yes, my lord. They put certified copy on the number.
Okay.
Yes,
I have it here too.
I have seen
Lana Silk, are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, I have page 1 to 22 of that final investigation report on the fraud perpetrated in Sokoto branch.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 23 September 2018. Then the exhibit D1. Exhibit D1, how many pages, Gidado?
Exhibit D1.
Yeah, so what is the last document on exhibit D1? Read it out, the last page. What is there?
The last page is NPF Microfinance Bank PLC leave allowances claim.
Yes, Appendix 7 up.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
All right, thank you. Then do you have the front page? Do you have the content or what on the what's the front page? What is on the front page?
The front page, my lord, NPF Microfinance Bank PLC. NPF Microfinance Human Resources Manual.
Yes, what is on the front page? What do you have? Do you have the table of contents or whatever?
That is the second page.
That's the second page. Okay, I've seen what is reading. Okay, micro enterprise place. Okay, so I think it's the first page. Okay, so I think we are okay with that. So I think it starts. Hold on, Gidadu. So go to the. You see where it's written introduction. No, page 7. You have page 7 there.
Page 7.
Introduction up.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
All right. So it goes on and until you get to the last.
Microfinance Bank.
Okay, thank you. So it goes on until that last page, which says Appendix 7, leave allowance claim form.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, so this document is Exhibit D1, so you can return that to them.
As what pleases, my lord.
Yes, so we have D1 and D2. So the issue now is Exhibit, is it D3? So I said, defendant counsel, I don't have this document on indefinite suspension front-loaded. I have them admitted already in evidence as tendered by the claimant in the course of examination in chief of claimant's witness. If you are going to make the documents available by the next date, if you insist you want to make use of your documents, all well and good, then I will have the matter adjourned so I can take the other matters. Yes, Aliu.
Okay, my lord.
Is Aliu with me?
Yes, my lord.
So would you like to rely on the documents already tendered?
My lord, the document sent to me, my lord, the solicitor is Sokoto, the defendant. They sent it to me, my lord, for the purpose of tendering. And I'm receiving instruction from the major essay from our Lagos.
Okay, yes, there's no problem with that. Gidado.
My lord.
You will collect those documents, but since I don't have them here, I can't sign, so you are not returning those documents back to him. So you will let me have those documents, I'll put them on record, so you keep them and we mark them.
As what please.
So you cite them and we mark them.
The D1 and the
Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Listen carefully. We have already admitted D1 and D2 in evidence. I have them here before me.
Yes, my lord.
So you return D1 and D2 to them.
As what pleases, my lord.
All right, so let's proceed with D3 now, which claimant's counsel is not objecting to. So I will take the documents one after the other as you have them there, and I'll put them on my record. But those documents, you are not returning back to them. They will be in your custody there in Sokoto.
As what please.
Okay, so go ahead. Give me the documents one after the other. I want to put them on my record.
So, number one here is, my lord, is indefinite suspension dated 31st July 2018.
Yes.
To Rabiu Muhammad.
Rabiu who?
Rabiu Muhammad.
Okay, that's the fourth claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Gidado, go ahead.
We are going to, she said we continue. Yeah.
The next one.
The next one, my lord, is indefinite suspension dated 31st July 2018 to Zuwaira Haruna.
Yes, third claimant.
Yes, claimant.
Yes. The next one.
The next one, my lord, is indefinite suspension dated 31st July 2018 to Sunday Uche Ame.
Yes, second claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. The next one.
The next one, dated 31st July 2018.
That's the first claimant, Atume Yaku Jonah.
Yes, my lord.
Are those all the documents?
No, there are additional documents, my lord. There are dismissal.
How many more?
It's almost four. It's four.
Yes, go ahead. The fourth one.
And the first one is letter of dismissal to Jonah.
Check. Hold on, I think we have, hold on. Let me check if that's what I have here. Yes, letter of dismissal of who?
Atomi Akwa Jonah, dated 15th May 2019.
15th May 2019.
Yes, my lord.
What's the name?
Atomi Akwa Jonah.
Atume Yaku Jonah.
Jonah, yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Hold on, don't close. Yes, Gidado, the fifth one.
Yes, my lord. Letter.
Is it 6?
Number 5. Number 5.
My lord. Number
Yes.
6, my lord.
Is it number 6?
Yes, number 6, my lord. Eh? No, it's number 5. Number 5.
Okay. I think it's number 6. Sorry, we have indefinite suspension letters for Rabilu Mohammed, Zuwaira Haruna, Ahmed Sunday Oche, Atume Yaku, that's 4. Then a dismissal letter of Atume Yaku Jonah, that's 5. So this is now number 6.
Number 6.
Yes. Yes, Gidado, is it dismissal letter as well?
Gidado.
Letter of dismissal. 15th May 2019.
For who?
Dated 15th May 2019.
What is the name of the person on it?
Letter of dismissal.
The name of the person.
Ahmed Sunday Oche.
Second claimant.
Okay, thank you, counsel. Second claimant, yes, Ahmed Sunday Oche. Yes, the next one, number 7.
The next one, dismissal of Zuwaira Haruna.
Okay, Zuwaira Haruna, okay. Sorry, Zuwaira Haruna, yes. Will that be all?
There is one.
The next one, please.
Letter of dismissal
Yes, the name.
Dated 15.
What is the name? Is it Atumeyi? No, we have done Atumeyi.
No, fourth claimant.
Okay, fourth claimant. Let me see the fourth claimant, please. Where is it? You don't have that. Okay, we don't have it here. What is it? Yusuf Yes, Gidado, is that all?
The last one for Yusuf Rabiulu Mohammed.
Okay, so that of so all the letters you will keep those letters. You are not going to release it to them. Yes. So the documents are admitted in evidence are marked as follows. I have it as Exhibit D3. We have ones A, B, C. Hold on. Exhibit D3. The first one, indefinite suspension to Raubilu Mohammed. Raubilu Mohammed, dated 31st July 2018, is marked as Exhibit D3A. D3A. That of Zuwaira Haruna, indefinite suspension, Exhibit D3B. Emerson Delche, indefinite suspension, D3C. Atumeyi Kujona, indefinite suspension, D3D. Now, letter of dismissal, 15th May 2019. Atumeyi Kujona. That's exhibit. What is that? D3. D3E. Letter of dismissal. Emerson Delche. That's D3F. Letter of dismissal. Zuwaira Haruna. D3G. And lastly, letter of dismissal. Yusuf Raubilu Mohammed. D3H. Lanet Silk and Aliu, are you with me, please?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we have these documents as D3. Then I started with the ones for indefinite suspension in that order in which we have taken it, starting with Rabilu Mohammed. That's A, D3A, Zuwaira Haruna, D3B, Emerson Delche, D3C, Atumeyi Kujona, D3D. Then next is the letter of dismissal, Atumeyi Kujona, D3E, and Emerson Delche, D3F, Zuwaira Haruna, D3G, and Yusuf Raubilu Mohammed, D3H.
Let's go, please.
All right. Yes, Aliu. Gidado. Hold on, Aliu. Gidado.
Yes,
so keep those documents. You are not releasing those ones to them. You keep those ones because the ones I have they are not complete. All right. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, my lord. We also have some documents, my lord, to send out.
How many more documents?
Well, there are 3 bank statement of account, sorry, 4.
Yes.
His press.
Aside those bank statements, which other documents do you have to tender?
That is all, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
Nice. Nice. Yes. Okay.
Where's the statement? Yes, Aliu, where are you referring the court to, please?
Yes, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Check, bring the charger and charge it.
Paragraph 13.
Paragraph 13 of, is it the statement of 24th January?
Yes, my lord, very correct, my lord.
Yes.
And the witness needed Sterling bank statements.
Yes.
Sterling bank statement, where certain claimants made some withdrawals. If you see that document, can you able to identify it?
Yes, I'll be able to identify documents by the statement bank logo on it, then the kind of withdrawals logo on it.
Yes, Counsel, what are you referring to, the statement of defense or the witness deposition?
Witness deposition.
All right, paragraph what?
13, my lord. At page 14.
Okay, yes. Okay, you refer to Sterling bank statements, yes?
Yes, my lord, we applied witness deposition.
Yes, go ahead and show him. Yes, Ezra, have you seen the document?
Yes, ma'am, I've seen the documents.
Is that the document you refer to in your statement?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Aliu. Aliu. Yes, Aliu, Counsel, are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we applied the documents we admitted in evidence.
Learned Seal.
My lord, we are going to state our objections in the course of written address.
All right. Okay. Here's a statement, the Sterling bank statement. It's the 30th November. Yes, I saw the bank statement here. Yes, Gidado, do you have the statement with you?
Yes, my lord, it's here with me.
Okay, so you mark it as exhibit D4. Read it out to me. The statement is from where? Because I have from here, it says Sterling bank statement.
From Sterling Bank. Then MTF Microfinance PLC. Overland Lagos.
Hold on. Yes, Sterling Bank. You said what? Micro what?
The date is 07/16/2018, 16/07/2018.
Yes.
MPF Microfinance PLC.
Is this one? You are not reading it well. You see, when you see statements, you see it runs from one period to the other. What I have here is this, it runs from the period 1st November 2017 to 30th November 2017. Can you confirm that? It was produced probably, I think, on 7th. Is it 16th July 2018?
1st November, yes, my lord.
So you are not reading, that's what you should give me. The period from 1st November 2017 to 30th November 2017. Sterling
Yes,
Bank, MPF Microfinance Bank, Obalende, Lagos.
Yes, my lord, that is the heading.
So this, how many pages do you have there?
It's three pages.
Is it 3 or 4?
It's 3 pages, my lord.
Okay, there are 3, page 1 of 3.
Yes, my lord.
Counsel, please, counsel tendering the document. Can you confirm that, please?
Yes, my lord, there are 3 pages.
What's the last page? Dated, the last date on the last page.
The last, that is 30th November 2017.
All right, thank you. So you mark that as exhibit. No, you can give them. I'll use this one in my records here.
Okay, we can give it back to them.
Yes, I don't need that. I have it complete here. So this exhibit D4. Exhibit D4. That's the bank statement from Sterling Bank, dated 16 July 2018, and for the period 1st November 2017 to 30th November 2017, we have the Nuban account number at 000-874-7283.
Yes, my lord.
With D4. Yes, Aliu.
My lord, I don't know whether my lord can give me just stand down. My lord, I'm pressed.
Aliu.
My lord.
Yes, stand down for how many minutes?
My lord, for just 5 minutes.
Okay, we'll take, I think we have, we'll quickly take the matter. Yes, you can, we'll stand down the matter. Lana Silk, I hope you are with me. Okay, we'll quickly take the matter for further mention. While we stand down this, that's if we have the council online. Gidado.
My lord.
You can call number 4.
NICN SK 44 2019. Tukur Mohammed Magami. Okay, that one. Yes. Tukur Mohammed Magami and 48 others by Zampara State Government.
Is that number 4? It's not. Number 4 is Dr. Anthony Okwadili Imbagu and Medicine Sans Frontiers. Gidado, confirm from your course list.
On the course list, that's what I have seen, my lord.
Oh. Okay, I want you to call NICN/SK/16/2018. Confirm what number you have there.
NICN/SK/16/2018, Dr. Anthony Okwadili Imbagu by SS Medicine Sans Frontiers. And 4 others for further mention.
Give me the. Yes, do we have any counsel, please, with us online or in court? Do we have parties with you, Gidado?
My lord, I saw one counsel online, but I didn't see her now. There is one lady I see.
But any counsel with you in court or parties?
My lord, the issue here is, last time they were agreed they will come to Abuja.
Okay.
Yes. So you even asked me I should not send them, serve them with hearing notice.
No, I said the court will order that hearing notice be served on claimant directly. That was what the court said. The hearing notice should be served on claimant directly.
When
That's
they
what
agreed,
I said.
they agreed, my lord, they will come to Abuja.
Okay, they said they will come to Abuja.
Yes, that's what they have said.
Okay.
The last sitting.
That's the claimant,
yes,
with the claimant?
Yes, my lord.
But the claimant, the parties were absent. So where do you have that record? Where do you have that record? Or they informed you?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, they informed you.
My lord, I am confirming.
Did they inform you, Gidado, that they will be in Abuja?
I'm confirming, my lord.
From where?
No, I won't confirm from my record.
So you want me to wait for you to confirm from your record? You are giving me an information and you don't have anything to back that up. Because you are telling me, I'm reading out the record.
I saw the file, my lord.
I'm reading out the record of proceeding to you. That's what transpired in court on that day. It was an order of court that hearing notice be served on claimant directly, following the demise of his former counsel. That was it. That was the order of court.
Yes, my lord.
Sorry, my lord.
Last time,
yes, is there any counsel with me, please?
Yes, my lord. Sorry, my connection went off briefly.
All right, please announce your appearance.
I.O. Idigbe, my lord, for the defendant.
I.O. Idigbe.
Yes, my lord. I.O. initials, Idigbe spelled A-I-G-B-E.
Yes, for defendant, yes.
Yes, my lord, for the defendant.
Is the claimant online?
Yes, my lord. I sent him the code. Even in the morning, he called me in the morning. I told him.
Did you serve the claimant with hearing notice?
Yes, my lord.
All right.
He's a junior for BT Azza, so we go find him and communicate with him and serve him with the hearing notice.
So you served claimant's counsel. That's a junior to late Azza.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, you served him with the court process. That's the hearing notice.
My lord.
All right.
He was even complaining there is they have 3 matters. He said
yes, I know.
He said the remaining 2 matters. He have never found the claimant, the complainant.
Yes, he has not filed the complaint. Yes. So regarding this matter, hold on. I will hear from the defendant's counsel if she had any communication with the claimant himself. Just hold on. But you said you served the hearing notice on a junior counsel in the chambers of late Azza. That's information you are giving. All right. Okay.
Even today we communicate.
What's the name of that counsel? Do you know the name?
I don't know his name actually, my lord.
So who did you serve it on? Who acknowledged? Yes, while you find out that, let me hear from a defendant's counsel. So, Gidado, I want to know who acknowledged. You serve, so there must be.
He's the one, my lord.
Who?
The junior, look at it, my lord.
What is the name?
I did not save his name, my lord. I don't have his name.
So you just have the process. There's no name. So is
Yes.
that service? That is not service. So who acknowledged it?
My lord, the issue here is, you know, the chamber is locked. He's the one who closed last time. So he asked us, he's not able to, so I sent him the hearing notice through WhatsApp.
Yes.
So I said, look at the proof of, I sent him.
Okay. Okay. He communicated, he responded to your WhatsApp message.
Yes, he said noted. I received.
All right, that's okay. So you print that one out for me and keep. Okay, thank you. So I will want to have the number of the council. So that was the number you used in serving him, yes? Yes, Idigbe.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in the circumstance, the order of my lord on the last adjourned date was that the claimant be served hearing notice directly.
Yes.
We checked the processes, but we do not have the claimant's contact.
Yes.
So we on our part couldn't even also reach out to him.
Yes.
In the circumstance, the matter is okay. It was scheduled to come up today for further mention.
Yes, but before then, the matter was for adoption.
Adoption of address, yes, my lord. Yes. We on our part have also been having some challenges.
Yes.
The principal counsel who has been in charge of this matter.
Yes.
He was to prepare the final address for filing, my lord.
Yes.
But he has been unwell and he is with the file in Kano.
Okay, so your address is not even ready.
Our address is not ready, my lord.
Yes.
So in the circumstance, we'll be asking for a short date. If my lord can please grant us maybe 14 days, my lord.
You know you are out of time, counsel.
Yes, my lord.
So I can't see, if you don't file your application for filing of the final written address out of time,
yes,
you know the implication of that, yeah, counsel. So asking for extension of time is not orally. It's not done orally.
Yes, ma'am. We will come from.
So you are well guided by the so you have to come properly before the courts.
Yes, my lord. We will do that.
And you pay the need. You do the needful. So you pay the necessary penalty fees.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, based on what date? Okay. We fix all the cases for Sokoto on the same date. Yes,
yes. 9th of February.
Yes, counsel, I'll give you 9th of February, but that notwithstanding, your final written address shall be filed before then.
Yes,
within the 14 days, and you pay the necessary penalty fees.
Yes, my lord.
All right. So 9th February.
It is convenient, my lord.
It doesn't. We are set to our case. This one. Our case. The one that stood down. We are ready.
So the case is adjourned to 9 February 2023. That will be for adoption of final written addresses, and hearing notice shall be served on the claimants. So claimants counsel, because I think the court clerk has confirmed now that he was able to serve a junior counsel. Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
You have confirmed that you're able to reach out to the junior counsel.
I even sent it myself.
All right, so that's good. So the service now, henceforth, the service of the court processes will be on that junior counsel. So the case is adjourned to 9th day of February 2023.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, for adoption of final written addresses, and the hearing notice shall be served on the claimant's counsel.
The court pleases.
You can continue. The one that is stood down.
So the case that was stood down, so you can, if counsel is, I think we can take that matter now.
Escort, please. Where is the man now?
Make sure the witness is there. I want the witness to go back to the witness box. That's number what? Number 7, the one I just did now. Yes, Gidado, is the witness back to the witness box? Where is he?
To the me zan magana. Shi wancan lawan ne ina zanna wurin yanzu ne ma yake zanna.
Is the witness back to the witness box?
Yes, I'm back.
So you are reminded that you are still under oath. Yes, Emmanuel, Ezra. Okay, you are reminded you are still under oath.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, yes, Aliu. The last document admitted in evidence was Exhibit D4. That's the bank statement from Sterling Bank.
Okay.
And equally the same pronouncement by the court regarding the said document. Counsel granted the leave of court to join issues regarding this document, which the claimant's counsel regarding any arguments or objection that may be raised by claimant's counsel in the final address. And the court will address him at the appropriate stage of its judgment. Yes, Aliu.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Emmanuel, paragraph 20.
He told me that was the last document, but he's still tendering more, so I will stop him now. Yes,
paragraph 29. My lord.
Paragraph 29.
What is 2020?
After this, is stopping.
17, my lord.
Paragraph what?
29. Page 7.
Page 17. Paragraph 29.
Bank join indebtedness. Paragraph.
Yes.
How it has shown that.
Yes, I'll find it.
I'm
I'll be able to find the account names and the name of the banking.
Yes.
Yes. Statement.
I've seen them.
Yes, let him confirm if those are the documents he's referred to in that paragraph. The bank statement showing indebtedness of the claimant. Yes. Can you put on this?
The documents.
Okay. Yes, Aliu.
We apply the document admitted.
Yes, so Chidi.
Yes, my lord. Under the same course of action we are taking.
Same
We will
bank
not
statement. It's on this is a bank statement.
We will reflect our objection in the panel written address.
Okay. Let me see the document, paragraph 29. Yes, Gidado.
My lord.
Are you with the document?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, give me the title of the document. Let's look at it.
The first one, my lord, statement in predated inquiry NR 00 customer 100058133 Atomi Aquajona.
What statement is that? Is a bank statement?
It's bank statement, my lord.
Of who?
MPF Microfinance.
Yes. Was this the last one?
Dated 16 January 2020.
Is this now? Look at it.
32.
Do you have anything up as NAMBUIT platform?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, NAMBUIT platform.
Yes.
Okay, statement entry dated inquiry number 00240242747. You have that?
Yes, my lord. I have seen it.
Okay, so it's on your right-hand side of that document. It's 16 January 2020.
Yes.
Okay.
132447. Yes, my lord.
All right. How many pages?
5 pages, my lord.
Let's confirm the pages, please. Councillor, please confirm the number of pages.
Yes, it's 5, my lord.
All right, thank you. There are 5 then. D5, eh?
Yes.
D5. We'll stop here. All these things will extract them when you type. Or maybe we'll just, no, maybe we can put something. Okay, so the document is admitted in evidence as Exhibit D5.
No, they are separate. They are 4.
The document is marked as Exhibit D5. Yes, Gidado. Yes. Gidado. Please get the diary. We are joining the matter now to 9th February. As soon as the council are with me. Aliu.
There are some other 2 documents here, my lord.
Sorry?
There is I saw another statement of account.
You said the document is page 1 to 5.
No, for that platform. Now
Yes.
3 documents he gave me.
Why are they 3?
No, no.
Can you refer me to the dates on the document?
Hand side, the one is dated 16 January 2020, 12:32, 55, 59 seconds.
The other one is what?
Huh?
The other one is still 16 January 2020. 1329, 1329, 19.
Yes, my lord.
Uh-huh. So which one is the next one again?
Zuera.
Now,
Zuera what? This Mohammed, Yusuf Mohammed Raubilu.
Zuera Haruna.
This one is Atume Yakujona. This is Zuera Haruna. Okay, I've seen what he's saying. Okay, there are 3 documents. Okay. Yes, Gedado.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, let's start with the first one, the name. Let's go by the name.
Zuera Haruna, my lord.
No, it's the first one that's 13/24/47, 16 January. It's Yusuf Muhammad Raubilu.
Yes, my lord. That is D5.
Yes.
The one we mark as D5.
Yes. The next
Yes,
one.
my lord. The next one is for Zuera Haruna.
Hold on. What about Atume Yakujona? Do you have for Atume Akujona?
Yeah. Yes, my lord.
Do you have for Atume Yakujona?
Yes, my lord. Dated.
They are all dated 16 January. This the time there is 12:32:59.
16 January 2020, 12:32:50. Yes, my lord.
Okay, that's exhibit D6.
Yes, my lord.
Just put it down. Don't just say yes, my lord. Put exhibit D6 on that document.
As God pleases, my lord.
All right. So the next one now.
The next one is for Zuera Haruna.
Yes, 13/29/19. Confirm that time. 13/29/19. Okay, that's exhibit D7. So will that be all?
Yes, my lord.
Document D5. I have to write this. Muhammad Rabilu. 13/24/47. This D5. Let me show me D6. Yeah, I marked it now. Atume Yakujona. What's the time here?
It's 12:32.
12:32:59. Yes, the third one has to be D7. That's Zuera Haruna. Zuera Haruna, 13/29/19. Okay, so that's exhibit, we have exhibit D5 of that statement from is it Nambut platform statement entry for Yusuf Mohammed Raubilu.
Yes, my lord.
That's exhibit D5. Then Atume Yaku, exhibit D6.
D6.
Then lastly, I have Zuera Haruna, exhibit D7.
Yes, my lord. You mark them, my lord.
Okay, yes, so you mark them accordingly.
That's good.
So at this juncture, I think I'll have to adjourn this matter so I can attend to other matters on the list. So we have to take another date for continuation, please. By the next date, claimant defendant counsel should round up this evidence in chief of the DW1, and I think we should be able to conclude cross-examination likewise on that same date. Yes, Lane Silk, are you with me? Yes, we may have to take another date, and we have the 9th of February. 9th of February. Let them check their diaries. Yes, 9th February. All right. So the case is adjourned now to 9th day of February 2023 for continuation of trial. Defendant counsel shall conclude cross-examination in chief of DW1 by next hearing days, while claimant counsel shall equally prepare for cross-examination.
That's good, Mrs. Madam.
Yes, Barnabas, this number 18. Yes, Kidado, call the next one. Number 5.
No, the first and 13th.
Yes, my lord. NICN/SK/04/20.
The first and 13th claimants.
First and 13th claimants. Yes, yes, the first claimant is Tuku Mohammed.
Tukur Mohammed is in court, my lord.
Nashiru Isaka.
Yes, my lord. The two of them are in court.
Yes, defendants.
Ministry of Justice.
Gidado, defendants.
The council.
My Lord is here.
Okay, it's the council in
Council
court.
is
Okay.
here. The party is not in court. Yes, the party is absent.
Council, please announce your appearance.
Respectfully, my Lord, I am A.M. Dole.
Yes.
Appearing with me is A.Y. Nawawi. We are for the claimants.
A.Y. who?
Nawawi.
Nawawi, okay.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
We are for the claimants.
Defendant counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Honorable Lord. Yes.
MS who?
MS Suleiman, BCL.
All right.
With me, my Lord, UI Abdul Karim.
Where is the Abdul Karim?
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you.
For all the defendants, Your Lordship.
All right. Yes, counsel.
My Lord, we have a motion to regularize our written address, final written address.
Suleiman, have you been served?
We are sorry, Your Lordship.
It was
Any
filed.
counter?
We are not opposing the application, Your Lordship.
All right. Yes, Dole, proceed with your application. When was it filed?
It was filed on the 21st day of November 2022.
Can you confirm that? 21st November, okay. Yes, counsel.
My Lord, the motion is framed for an extension of time within which to file our written address. And the written address has been filed separately.
Can you confirm that? There is a separate one filed.
21st.
All right. Yes, counsel.
We urge this honorable court to grant our application as prayed in the motion table.
Have you checked everything? Yes. Okay, they have paid the deposit. Oh. They have paid. Let me set the process. So in the absence of any counter to the application, orders are all granted as prayed in the application of claimant applicant filed on the 21st day of November 2022. Meanwhile, the claimant's final written address separately filed is deemed properly filed and served.
We're getting one.
Yes, Suleiman.
Honorable Lord.
Yes. Where is the defendant? Yes, counsel.
Honorable, we have filed our own application. We have filed our final address on the 25th November 2022.
Can you confirm that? Let me see the date of filing, please. Yes, counsel. Yes, Suleiman.
Honorable Lord, I have said we have filed our final return address on the 25th November.
Yes, you have served on claimant. That's why the claimant has just filed a motion for extension of time. That has been regularized. Do you intend to file a reply on point of law? Counsel, I'm not, you know what to do next.
We have.
Then you proceed with your adoption.
We have done so, Your Lordship. We have filed.
You have filed?
Yes. Yes.
Where is the reply? Is there any reply on point of law? When did you file?
On 25 November 2022.
Idado, do you have it there?
Yes, my lord, it's in the court file. I sent it to Barnabas with some documents.
When did you send it?
Last week, my lord. But I think
yes, do you have a copy with you
last
there?
week, my lord. But I think you received it. Yes, my lord.
You have a copy with you there so that I can ask them to adopt because we have not received it yet.
I have a copy. See the copy. Yes, my lord.
Yes, Gidado, you confirm, as counsel is giving me the date of filing, confirm with what you have, so I have my records pending when I receive that, since you have it there in Sokoto.
But we have not been served, my lord.
Oh, okay. So claimant said he has not been served, so we can't proceed. Okay. Suleiman, you said you filed your final written address 2511 and the reply on point of law. Yes, Suleiman, give me the date you filed the reply on point of law.
Your Lordship, we have filed a final address because by order of proceedings, the plaintiff are led witnesses and we could not lead witnesses. And we could not lead witnesses, my Lord. As a plaintiff have filed their address first with order. My Lord, I have said, the plaintiff led evidence. We do not call any witnesses. By the plaintiff are expected to first file their written address.
Okay, yes, it's okay.
Because they are, so they have filed their own final address and served us on the 21st of November.
Yes, so it's the claimant that has the right to file a reply on point of law if he so wishes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Dole, do you intend to file a reply on point of law?
True, my lord. We intend to do that. But we have not been served up to this moment.
Of the defendant's what? Final written address?
Exactly.
Can you confirm? Say yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, is there any proof of service of defendant's final written address on claimants?
The issue here is, my lord, when they
because you are there in Sokoto, is there any proof of service?
They did not mobilize to service.
All right, so let them do the needful. So we adjourn the matter for adoption.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, in the absence of service on claimant counsel, that final written address of defendant. So I will give you a date for adoption.
Thank you.
Can you give me a date before? Let's see if the date is convenient for them before we go on vacation, or else they take a date in January.
Not before vacation is not convenient to me.
It's only adoption. I can adopt on your behalf. It's only for adoption.
Yes,
but my lord, I'm entitled to have a copy before they have proceed the reply.
Counsel, I will allow both of you to agree on a date, counsel.
Yes,
to quarrel over that.
Yes.
Yes, the date will be agreeable to both counsel. You both agree. If it's not convenient, we go further to January or February. Yes, what date is it? You have 13th of December, 12th of December.
It's all convenient. 12 December is convenient, 18 December is convenient.
Give them a date in January.
December is not convenient to me.
We'll suggest dates in January to you, counsel. Yes, quickly. Just for this adoption. Yes. 19. How about 19th of January?
It's convenient, Your Lordship.
19 January.
My lord, 19th I'm the Federal High Court, so I maybe 7. Okay. 17 is convenient, my lord.
17, yes. That's Dole. How about Suleiman?
My lord, it's
Is 17th agreeable to both council?
Exactly, my lord.
Suleiman?
Lord.
17 January?
Yes, continue, Your Lordship.
All right, thank you. So the case is further adjourned now to 17th January 2023 for adoption of final written addresses.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you,
So,
my lord.
and the defendant counsel shall ensure that his final written address is served on the claimant's counsel.
We're grateful, my lord.
And the claimant's counsel has, if he wishes to file any reply on point of law, you are entitled to do so and have same served on the defendant.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
We're grateful, my lord.
You're welcome.
January.
To call the next case, please.
Yes, my lord. NICN/SK/06/2019. Solomon One Show by SS Mr. Donatus Atomi. That is absent, my lord.
All right, hold on.
And I meet so we can add
Okay, no, that's number 5. Yes, practice answer. How about counsel? Any counsel online? Do any counsel in court?
Yeah, my lord. The issue here is that the other council that you for BT as a same person.
But can I in the case? So I'm in the failing. She was an load at that time.
Counsel Dole. Dole, you are done with your matter. Please don't disrupt proceedings, please. Yes, Gidado, appearance, any counsel?
No, my lord.
All right. The matter is for us now. It's for defense. When they served this, Gidado, were they in court on the last date? The matter came up last on the 18th of July.
Yes, my lord, the claimant is there, only the respondent is there. The claimant is BT Aza. As of then, we did not communicate with his junior unless after the sitting. That's when we.
Okay, so even that same junior, you have not sent a hearing notice on him?
No, I sent the 3 of them. Those 3 cases, we have them today.
Okay, all right.
All the 3 cases. I sent him this thing.
Okay, so it's the same thing. So we'll still adjourn it to the same dates, eh?
And I don't even know what even today in the morning.
So we'll give him, let's give him the benefit of doubt. So we'll still give him that last date. If he doesn't come, the court will do the needful. So it's okay. So we'll give that same date. Give me that day. What date is that? So Gidado, put it for still, since it's the same counsel for the 3 matters. So fix it for 9th of February 2023. So let's give them the benefit of doubt. So it's adjourned to 9th February, that's for defense. Yes. So Gidado, you issue and serve hearing notice on the parties, please. Yeah?
That's good, Mrs. Madam.
And if you are sending it by mail, make sure you have your, because you show me that proof of service.
I used to give proof of service.
All right, okay. So the case is adjourned to 9th day of February 2023 for defense, and hearing notice shall be served on all parties.
As good, Mrs. Madam.
Yes, Gidado, call the next one. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
NICN/SK/18/2019. Honorable Bello Abdullahi by Zamfara State Government for continuation of trial.
Yes, who are the parties?
Parties knowing good, my
Okay,
lord.
absent, okay.
There is two parties in the court, my lord.
Okay. Which of the parties? Because we have about 46 claimants. Let's have their name. Their names.
There is Yahya Abdullahi.
Yes.
And Tukur
And
Muhammad.
who?
Tukur Muhammad.
Yahya Abdullahi, yes. Number 10, yes. And who?
And Tukur Muhammad.
Tukur Mohammed, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Others absent, yes. How many defendants do we have? Three. Yes, counsel, announce your appearance, please. Please hold on, counsel. What's your name again, please? Okay, Umaru.
M.R. Moru, not Umaru. Maru.
Okay, Maru, sorry. Maru. Yes, Maru, with the brief of who?
Barrister Surajo Garba.
Okay.
To humbly appearance for a claimant.
Defendant counsel, please.
With profound and humility, Honorable Lord, M.S. Suleiman.
Yes, M.S. Suleiman, yes.
See, with me, my Lord, UI Abdul Karim.
Okay.
Assistant Director of Appeal. UI Abdul Karim. Assistant Director of Appeal. For the defendants.
You are DCL.
Yes, Your Lordship, Director of Civil Litigation.
Okay.
With me, UI Abdul Karim, Assistant Director of Appeal.
All right, thank you.
For other defendants.
All right. Yes, Maru.
Yes, my Lord, the matter for today for continuation hearing.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I make the call today this morning with PW1 that I should answer.
Sorry, counsel, you say unfortunately you are unable to proceed.
Yes, there's one issue, my Lord, at hand, that's the VW1 that I should Musa.
Yes.
I made a call with him yesterday night.
Yes.
But unfortunately, he called me this morning that there's a problem in the village, that issue of banditry.
Okay, banditry.
Yes, banditry, issue of banditry.
All right.
That's therefore, humbly apply to adjourn the matter, subject to the continuing ownership.
I thought, Council, we had, okay, we have taken, okay, that's the CW one that we started with. Okay. So it was for continuation of trial and examination. Okay. Yes, Suleiman. Suleiman, defendant counsel.
Yeah, my lordship, we have no objection to the application for adjournment.
All right.
But my lord, subject to your convenience, we have the same 17 January.
Okay, we'll check the diary. I don't think that will be convenient. I gave that date because it's for adoption, which will not take time. But this is for continuation of a trial, so it will take time. So the date is February. Is it February? Yes, we have February what? 9th of February. Yes, Council, 9th of February. Suleiman. I hope the data is not finished. No, it's not. It's from their end. Yes, yes, Gidado. Let's wait for this from their end. Let's get them to agree to that date. They're back. Yes, Gidado. Come and check well, because why is this thing showing red here? So it's from their end. Okay. Come and charge this laptop. You can see that it's on 25. Yeah? Gidado, go and call, tell the secretary to call him that they are still online.
Yes, my lord. The
yes, 9th of, where is the charger for the laptop? Why is it not working? 9th of February, please.
As for places.
All right, so the case is adjourned to 9th of February 2023 for continuation of trial.
As for places.
Adebayo, yes, come and check another point. The laptop is not working. Okay. Gidado, call the next case, please.
Yes, my lord, there is issue here on the cost list.
Hold on, Gidado.
As per please, my lord.
Yes, Gidado, what's the issue? I have number 9 here. SKO for 2021. What's the issue over there? It's hanging. It's from there.
Yes.
Yes, Gidado. These people there, what are they looking for?
Yes, that is the next one.
Yes, call him again, Besson. They are hanging. Their connection has failed over there. They are coming back, eh? They are connecting. Yes, Gidado. So we have 3 more, eh? How many cases do you have for that 9th February?
I know.
Okay.
This one now will look for.
Yes, Gidado, what's the issue?
My lord, the issue here is there is 2 matters. SKO4 and SKO5 in Abuja. Dr. Ahmed is Musa Salihu Sakaba by SSFCMB.
What is the problem? We have SKO4, yes?
Yes, the parties are there in Abuja.
Yes.
For physical trial.
Mm-hmm.
So now our last matter is SKO1 2022, Musa Salihu Sakaba by SSFCMB.
Yes, you said council for SKO4 is in Abuja?
Yes, they are in Abuja.
Okay, yes. What about the defense council? You are for who? Excuse me, SKO4. Where is defendant council? Is defendant council in Sokoto there? Okay, so we'll tell that.
The defendant counsel is court.
Are you the defendant
No,
counsel?
he's not. He's not in court, he's online.
Okay. So Gidado, call the case, call the next matter. The SKO4, okay, you said it's in Abuja here.
Yes, they are in Abuja, SKO4 and SKO5.
Okay, so Gidado, do you have any, so hold on, so it means we are going to take it physically in Abuja here?
Yes, my lord.
Then
now
what about SKO5?
The only one remain here is SKO1 2022. Both of them, the SKO4 and SKO5 are in Abuja. They are before you now.
So let's take SKO1 so that we discharge you.
NICS/SK/01/2022. Musa Salihu Sakaba by FCMB Bank.
Yes, sir. Are the parties there?
Parties absent, my lord. The council day is here. He is admitted as hospital. The claimant.
Appearance, please. Is the claimant in court?
The claimant is not in court, my lord.
Not in
okay,
court.
so counsel, announce your appearance.
Hey, please, my lord, I'm Chief Magnus here.
Magnus,
Defendant's counsel.
With profound humility, my lords.
Defendant counsel, what is the name, please?
Yusuf Muhammad, my lord.
Oh, you said Francis.
Yusuf Muhammad.
Yes.
My appearance is for the defendant, my lord.
Yes, sir, counsel.
Yes, my lord, the matter is slated today for hearing.
Yes.
And the claimant is in hospital in Kano.
Yes.
So when I called him, he said he can testify from Kano.
You say he's in the hospital and he wants to testify from the hospital bed?
That's what he told me, my lord. He said he can. I asked him if the health can allow him to testify from Kano. He said he can manage.
So how are we sure of the network over there, counsel? Because I'm still battling with the network here in the courts, and you want to link me up with somebody in the hospital. Huh?
No, that's
yes, defendant counsel, Mohammed.
Yes,
yes, Mohammed.
my lord.
Yes, defendant's counsel.
Yes, my lord, my lord.
The network is bad. My lord, in the circumstance,
Yes.
the issue raised by the claimant council in the health challenge of the claimant,
yes,
we wouldn't mind if the court will adjust the matter in the interest of justice.
Yes, I wouldn't want a situation of having a casualty. Somebody is sick and is in the hospital and you are saying he wants to testify, that he will manage to testify. I'm not comfortable with that. So we'll take a date. Yes. So we'll give you that same date that we have for Sokoto. That's the 9th day of February. Is it 9 or 10?
9.
It's for hearing. We'll give them 14.
Yes, Council, 14th of February.
14th February. Okay,
14th February 2023.
As please this. Very good for me, Lord.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, there is okay.
Hold on, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
So the case is adjourned to 14th February 2023 for definite hearing.
As God please. Very good for me, Lord.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, Gidado.
My lord, here in our diary, there is one matter. That is Mohammed Sani Nuhu versus Waziri Umaru Fair Polytechnic. But
we don't have that here.
In the course list, we don't have it. I did not see it in the course list.
Anything that is not on the course list, you tell the person the matter is not for today. So find out from the registrar of the court here when their matter will be coming up, if you don't have it in your diary over there.
As court list is, my lord.
Okay, so that ends the virtual sitting for Sokoto.
Yes, my lord.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Gidado. Okay. All right, okay.
Nonirat. Okay. You know who greet me.
Hello, Gidado, please, what's the position of the other matter with respect to Waziri Umaru?
My lord. Hello, my lord.
Gidado is counsel from Waziri Umaru.
Yes, my lord.
It's not my
they
lord.
Are before court. Even money that is in the court.